Hey there, it's Vanessa with Vanessa Smith Designs, and in this video I'm going to show you how to do the Turkish Cast On, which is perfect for toe-up socks. Here you can see it creates a beautiful seamless toe, and you can't tell exactly where I cast it on. So let's get started. All you'll need is your working yarn and a 32-inch or 80-centimeter circular needle. And as with many cast-ons, you will start by making a slip knot. This slip knot will not count as a stitch and will only serve to anchor the yarn. Go ahead and place that slip knot onto the needle. And then tuck the tail end into your right hand. So now that you've done that, grab the other end of the circular needle and hold the two tips parallel with a slip knot on the top needle, like so. Now begin wrapping the yarn around both needles as I'm doing here for a number of times that is half the total number of stitches to cast on. For example, if you need to cast on 20 stitches, wrap the yarn around the needle 10 times. I'm doing 18 stitches and I've got 9 wraps. Perfect. Carefully turn your needles around clockwise so they point to the right, and pull the bottom needle to the right so you can begin knitting with it. Make sure the yarn is coming from under the cord and knit all of the stitches normally. You may notice there is a lot of room between the stitches, and that's totally fine. Just keep your tension snug on the right needle. And there we go. Turn the needles clockwise again and resituate your needle tips so the unworked stitches are ready to be knit from the top needle. And then drop that slip knot off the top needle. Again, it only served as an anchor and does not count as a stitch in this cast on. Grab the working yarn again, making sure that it's coming from under the cord, and knit the stitches on this needle. Remember to keep your tension snug. And your work should look like this so far. Now turn your needles clockwise again and knit one plain round without doing any increases. I'm going to speed up this next part so you don't have to watch me knit 18 stitches in real time. All right, let's take a look at the beginning of our sock. I think that looks pretty good. If this video has been helpful for you, please like it and subscribe to my channel. And of course, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask in the comments. Enjoy!